Hey guys, how you going? I hope you're all doing well out there and keeping safe. So today we are going to make some apple balls. So today's Good Friday and Easter's just around the corner. So we thought we'll make some apple balls and see how we go. So we're just using an apple and we're going to use some almond butter. And we're just going to roll them in some seeds. So I'm just using Trill today. Guys are already helping themselves, so we're just going to cut some apple and see if we can make some balls. Yeah, what you doing? Are you guys helping yourselves? Yeah. We're going to make some apple balls. Okay. Here's one. So I'm just using this and just, pulling out some circles. Get a couple of balls. Come on. What are you doing? You want some? Yeah? Buddy? Oh, you're going to sit on the camera, are you? Say hello, everyone. Hello. What you doing? Hey? So we're just going to grab some balls and we're going to roll it into the almond butter, aren't we, buddy? Yeah, and then we're just going to roll it into some seeds and make some little balls. Yeah, so hello, everyone. Hey, what doing? Hey, what you doing? You know what? So happy Easter. Happy Easter, everyone. Yeah? Happy Easter. We're making some balls, aren't we? Hey? Are you telling everybody we're making some balls? You're covering it. They can't see. Yeah? Step up. Come here. Yeah? You gonna help me? Yeah, look. Made some apple balls. Do you want to have a try? I'll put it there for you. No? It's all about the camera, isn't it, my darling? Alright guys, so we just keep pulling out some of these. It's the first time we've made these, so I thought it'd be a nice little treat for them and hang out with them and do this today because it's Easter. Yeah, what? What are you doing? Oh, are you taking over the film? Like usual, isn't he, Echo? Yeah, you were just helping yourself to the butter, weren't you? Yeah. Hello. What you doing? You want some, Echo? Yeah, you help yourself, baby. You roll some in here, like this. Yeah, make some balls. Yeah. Are you gonna hop off there so everybody can see what we're doing? Hey? Yeah, it's all I can see is your head. Yes, I can. All I can see is your head. Step up. You go over there then. Alright guys, so we just roll them and we roll them in some seed and we made a couple of balls. So yeah, these guys are more interested in the camera and yeah, not what I'm doing. So you gonna have a look? Oh, thank you. Also remember guys, when using your apple, make sure you do not give your birds the seeds because they're very toxic and they can make your bird very sick. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that, and yeah, everything else with the apple is perfectly safe. Your almond butter is safe, and then we're just using their seeds. So almond butter is the best thing to use for birds. So if your birds like almonds and almond seeds, best thing. Yeah, it's really, really good for them. And I always pick the Trill. So I've got this small parrot mix at the moment. So I've been using that to mix all of the bits and pieces. I love using these guys. They have really good products. So you just take the apple that has the holes in it. And is it nice? Yeah? A cheeky boy. Yeah, a cheeky boy. It's a big bit. Where are you taking it? Hey? Yeah? Where are you going with it? Up there. Oh. Uh-oh. You dropped it. Yeah. Hi, Echo. Would you like to try my balls? Yeah. It's the apple balls. Yeah, yummy. You got hold of it? Yeah. Let's get the almond butter and all the seeds on it. Yum. Yeah, Echo loves the apple balls. Yeah. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah, you get some almond butter on that. What have you got? Another piece of apple. Hey? Yeah, cheeky boy. You like your apple, don't you, my baby? Yeah. Uh-oh. Here, you want it? Good boy. Is that nice? Yeah. Happy Easter to my babies. Yeah, you can't have any chocolate. So make these beautiful things for you, don't I? Yeah. Yum. You're loving it. And you and your apple. Yeah, you love your apple, don't you, mister? Really? Yum. Very nice. Thanks, Mum. Yeah. Yum. Well, Echo seems to love him. Yeah. You're very welcome, my sweetheart. Hi. Yeah. It's nice. Yeah. At least someone appreciates all the work I go to. Yeah, hey, beautiful girl. Yeah. Yum. Yeah, so good. Yum. It's your mouth. You're getting all over you. Cute girl. Are you gonna try one of my apple balls? Yeah? You want it? Oh, you're picking off the seed. Yeah? Is it nice? Yeah, I made them for you. Yeah? Happy Easter, my beautiful boy. Hi. It's alright, isn't it? Oh, yeah, that's not very nice. You threw it. You cheeky bugger. Yeah, you're cheeky. Another piece? Yum. Yeah, go. Another piece? Good girl, beautiful. Yeah, good girl. You've got it. Hold on to it. Hold on. So they look like that, guys. Just some round apple balls rolled in almond butter and a bit of seed. So yeah, you guys can do what I did and yeah, hang out with your birds and have a fantastic Easter. Thank you guys for watching.